In Java programming language, today we are going to see how we can copy one file into another character by character. That means we are going to make a text file and we'll write something in it in characters, means as sentence, English sentences, and then we copy one by one character to another file that will be made. So let's get started. This is a example of file handling. And what we have to do is we have to make a new project in NetBeans as Java application, give it some name. I named it as file copy. You can name it in the similar fashion, or you can have your own name, then create main class and go to finish. So, in different file handling, we import file reader, file writer, print writer, print reader, but an I exception as well. But in this program, what we are going to do is, because we are making, or we are dealing with file writing and file reading at the same time, so we will import java.io.star. This is how we are going to do it, and we don't have to write so many importing. And here, because this is file handling and it is prone to error, so Java has advised you have to write throws IO exception while you are dealing with file handling. And it is always advised to write your statement inside try catch block while we are not using it, since it's a simple program and I need to tell you each and every statement. But it is always advisable, and this is a good programming practice. So let's start by this place. I have made a file copy. There is no file. So we have to make a file. I have a file called ipfile.txt. I open it and I show you what is there. I am learning Java file handling. This is what is written here. And I just copy it, means I have already made it. So I want this to be inside my project. So IP file is there. Now I will make a file that you will shortly see via this program. So first of all, I have to have an object called IP here and name it ipfile.txt. This is the name which I just showed. And the other file is of your choice. You can name it as per your convenience, but I am naming it as opfile.txt. This file does not exist, as I just now showed. This will be made. So first of all, we have to do some reading and then writing. Reading will be done by this line, and we have to pass this object or this name inside file reader. And likewise, while writing, the same thing will be done with op file. Okay, this op file. So let me do it. Op file. This is the name op file. So we have passed it. We have in file, we have out file, and then what we have to do is we have to get each and every character from first file and then copy it to the next file. So let's have a integer count to 0, and then we read the number of characters from in file and copy it to ch. So since we want to reach to the end of the file, first file, while copying it, so while ch character means number is not equal to -1, we take one character at a time from the reading, and we will copy or write one character at a time to out file. So writing will be like this: out file dot write, and this character ch, and then reading can also be done like this. This is reading, this is writing, this is reading, this is writing. So when this loop will be completed, one file will copy its content to the other file. And the best programming end is, while file handling, is to close these two. This is very important. A good programmer always closes the file he has open. Now we are ready to run this program. And build is successful. We go to the folder and see we have another file, OP file, along with IP file. This we copied and this is just made. And we see the content, what is inside. We open it and we see the content is similar to what we have in the IP file.txt. This was the IP file and this was the OP file. So hopefully you understood what we had done. This was the introduction of file copying, and this is basically a program for character copying from one file to another. So thank you so much. Take care.